Hey guys, this is Jadirah Sarmad. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have done a look inspired by what Google picked for me. Now if you're not sure what I'm talking about, well, Nikkie Tutorials has started this trend where she just typed her initials on Google, searched it, and the first picture that popped up was her inspiration for her makeup. So that is what I've done today. So my initials are JS, so I typed in JS look, and this was the first picture that I got. So my look is inspired by this photograph right here, and how I did it is what we shall find out in today's video. So guys, first I'm using my Luscious Angel Eyes Primer to prime my lids before we apply any eyeshadow. To set my primer, I'm using this e.l.f. brush. It's quite fluffy, and I'm using my Makeup Revolution I Heart Chocolate palette, and I'm going in with the shade You Need Love just to set the primer. And then I'm using my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm taking the shade Bossy, and I will be putting that in my crease. It will act as a transition shade, but at the same time it will give us some depth. And then I'm going in with the shade Black Truffle, which is obviously a black, and it will further deepen up the crease, and it actually goes with that dark theme in the photo that the Google picked for me. And finally, I will be using the shade Pink Flamingo from the same palette, and I will use this as a base for my glitter. So here comes the fun part. Now I will be using this NYX glitter glue, and I'm just, applying it all over my lid in this clip. And then I'll just go in with some baby pink, light pink glitter. It's going to look so pretty. Now I'm using my Zulu palette by Juvias Place, and I'm using this beautiful turquoise shade for my lower lash line, and for this I'm using my Sigma Beauty pencil brush. So the photo that popped up in this Google challenge for me has quite a bit of blue, so that's why I decided to go in with this Inglot gel liner in the shade 67, and I will be using that on my waterline, and then I'll later on also use it for the triangles that I made on my face. Okay, then now I'm going in with this Rock and Roll Mascara from Essence. It's one of my favorites at the moment because it is more on the wetter side, and it is like, lengthening. So I've been enjoying it as of late. Now it's time to contour, so I will be using this e.l.f. brush and my HD Pro palette from Makeup Revolution. I got this recently, but I've been really liking it since, it has a nice mix of cool and warm tone shades. So it is pretty good, and it was also very affordable. And here comes my favorite part, which is highlighting. So I'm going in with this brand new LA Splash Lumos palette, and I'm going in with the shade Jinx, which is an iridescent pink. It is not over the top, but I just feel that, it went really well with our theme of pinks, purples, blues. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And you know what? Speaking of purples, I'm going in with this shade called Phantom, I guess. Yeah, from LA Splash also. And I'm just, drawing on some triangles on my face because the photo that we had has some prism triangles going on. So yeah, I just really wanted to bring that in and just add a little bit of a Picasso touch. For liner, I'm using my staple Holy Grail Artkitekt liner from LA Splash, and it works really well over shadows and even glitter. So yeah. Now I just wanted to add a little bit more dimension to the triangles, so I am using these Baulishi glitters to just, layer them a little bit. Now I did want to keep everything, you know, pretty much pink toned. So I'm going in with my Kylie lip kit in the shade Posie K, and I just love the scent of it. Oh my god, it is so nice. This is not my favorite liquid lipstick ever, but it is pretty good. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like this makeup look. I really wanted to do something wearable but also creative, so you know, you can totally skip these if you want to, but yeah, I just really wanted to bring in that geometry and the triangles. So that's what you're seeing on my face. I will talk to you guys very soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye.